Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to enable quiet mode on Instagram. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. The very first step that you have to do is to make sure that you have the latest version of Instagram installed. So check that in the App Store or Google Play Store, and make sure that Instagram is updated. After that, open the app and go to your Instagram profile. Now tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. When you do that, open the settings and privacy option here. Then the notifications, you're going to see a little quiet mode button. So click on that to open the settings, and the options are simple in here. Enable quiet mode by clicking here. Now set the time when you want it to turn on and off automatically. It can be enabled up to 12 hours a day. If you don't have this option, you simply have to wait a couple more weeks until you get the feed on your profile. They should roll it out very soon for all profiles. That's how you can enable and use quiet mode on Instagram. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.